employ you. There's nothing wrong for people to work.
But can I give an example?
But there's nothing wrong for people to work. But salary doesn't make many people rich. Salary is a medicine for poverty, but it does not cure it. If you are diabetic, you can put insulin every day in your life. You will live a normal life. But if you go out of insulin, your disease comes. That's what salary is. So nobody should plan his life on a salary. It's okay if you are earning it. But when you go home in the evening, don't stop WhatsApping message and sit in the front of TV with a bottle of beer. That's the time to begin to deploy yourself. Because your job will never make you wealthy. What will make you wealthy is your work. Your work is what you are born to do. The gift God put you here for mankind. When you deliver it to people, they will reward you with money and then you become wealthy. But if you go to job, the man who decide who you work for decide your value, what your salary is. But when you put your gift into work, that man is not in control anymore because your gift will begin to give answer to himself.
Now, if today...
From selling spare parts on the streets of Lagos to owning one of the most powerful business empires in Nigeria, this is the story of a man who turned hardship into horsepower, literally. Cosmas Maduka, a name that may not trend on gossip blogs, but in the boardrooms of Nigeria's automotive, agricultural, and pharmaceutical industries, it commands serious respect. This is not just a success story, it's a blueprint of discipline, faith, and undeniable hustle. Welcome to the world of the man behind Coscharis Group. Born in 1958 in Jos Plateau State, Cosmas lost his father at the age of 4. By the age of 6, he was already working as an apprentice to support his family. His education was cut short in primary school, but his real lessons came from the streets. At just 17, after being fired by his boss, he started his own business with only 200 naira. That business would later become Coscharis Group, a name formed by merging his name with that of his beloved wife, Charity Coscharis. Today, Coscharis Group is a massive conglomerate with operations in automotive, agriculture, technology, health, and real estate. This is where Maduka made his name. Coscharis Motors holds exclusive dealership rights for BMW, Ford, Land Rover, Rolls-Royce, and Mini Cooper in Nigeria. From showroom to servicing, Coscharis Motors redefined what luxury and professional car ownership meant in Nigeria. In a bid to contribute to Nigeria's food security, Coscharis ventured into agriculture with Coscharis Farms in Anambra State. Over 2,500 hectares of farmland dedicated to rice, maize, and cassava production. It's one of the largest private mechanized farms in southeast Nigeria. The group is also involved in the importation and distribution of medical equipment and pharmaceutical products, another contribution to national development. From car leasing services to tech distribution and logistics solutions, Coscharis Group is deeply diversified, touching every corner of modern industry in Nigeria. Cosmas Maduka is not just a businessman, he's a man of deep Christian faith and a passionate giver. Through his foundation and church involvement, he's built schools, supported small businesses, and offered countless scholarships. He frequently speaks at faith-based leadership events, inspiring the next generation with a message that combines God, grit, and good business. Though he rarely flaunts his wealth, Cosmas Maduka's net worth is estimated to be over $5 million. His influence is felt across industries, from the oil-rich cities of Lagos and Port Harcourt to the farmlands of Anambra and even international markets. He has received several national and international honors, including the Order of the Niger, CON, an honorary doctorate for his role in industrial and economic development. What makes Maduka stand out is not just what he has built, but how he built it, with transparency, faith, and focus. Cosmas Maduka did not inherit money. He built his name from the dust and turned it into a dynasty. His story is proof that greatness is not about where you start, but about how far you're willing to go and how much you're willing to give back. What do you think about this legendary businessman? Would you want to learn directly from people like Maduka? Let us know in the comments